so here we go. My AirTag has arrived, so I thought I'd take a first look at it and how easy it is to connect, all that kind of thing. I just ordered the one for the time being, we'll see how it goes from there, whether I want to buy any more, but I definitely wanted one just to see what it's all about. So let's open it. I've opened the top of the box already, but I have not taken it out of the box yet, so here it goes. Let's see what's in here. So let's box out of the way. There is a leaflet, the usual, and here it is inside the cardboard. Okay, oh, it's tiny. Okay, so that is the AirTag, and I have dropped it ironically. Okay, so this is the AirTag. It is about the size of a euro coin here for me, I'd say, maybe a tiny bit wider, maybe a €2 coin. So it has a bit of plastic over the top of it, so I am going to take that off. I have my iPhone here as well to connect it. You can hear VoiceOver speaking there. So I'm just going to take this plastic off. And there's another little plastic tab here which is sticking out. So I believe what you do is you may have heard a sound there, so that let me know that this AirTag is now alive. So once you take that plastic tab off, the AirTag is up and running in terms of being active. So now the battery clock starts here essentially. So you get 12 months roughly of battery from these. So what I'm going to do now is bring it close to my phone to connect it.
Still again, 11 degrees Celsius, cloudy, high of 12 degrees Celsius, low of 3 degrees Celsius. Actions available.
Okay.
Dismiss button. Website tag now. Open found. Apple. Common Safari attachment.
As you may be able to hear from VoiceOver, we have a pop-up on screen, very like when you connect AirPods, if you're familiar with those.
AirTag heading.
So I'm just swiping through AirTag.
Connect button.
And I have a connect button, so let's tap that.
Dismiss button.
And then the next bit.
AirTag heading.
Okay, so now I get to name the AirTag.
Backpack, picker item, adjustable, 1 of 11.
So backpack,
Bike, 1 of 11.
bike,
Camera, 1 of 11.
camera,
Handbag, 3 of 11.
handbag,
Headphones, 3 of 11.
headphones,
Jacket, 3 of 11.
jacket,
Keys, 3 of 11.
keys,
Luggage, 3 of 11.
luggage,
Umbrella, 3 of 11.
umbrella,
Wallet, 3 of 11.
wallet,
Custom name, 3 of 11.
or you can put a custom name in. At the moment you might have heard as well, I was saying 3 of 11 as the number in the list for all of them, so that's just a minor VoiceOver bug, but there are 11 in the list. So you can choose any of those pre-loaded names, or you can put a custom name in. For the time being, I'm going to put keys on here, although I don't actually have a key ring yet, but I plan to pick up a cheap key ring accessory for this.
Wallet, 3 umbrella, 3 of luggage, 3 keys, 3 jacket, 3 keys, 3 of 11.
So let's go keys, and then I'm going to swipe.
Continue button.
And hit continue.
Continue. Alert. Enable additional AirTag features by sharing this iPhone's location.
Okay, so it's giving me an option to enable features by sharing its location.
To improve AirTag location accuracy, switch your location sharing from iPhone to this iPhone. Use this iPhone button. Not now button. Not now. Use this iPhone button.
Okay.
Continue button. Register AirTag to your Apple ID.
And now it's asking me, do I want to register this AirTag to my Apple TV?
Mason@gmail.com. 08. This will be associated with the personal information you have provided to Apple. Close button. Continue button.
And I'll select continue.
Dismiss button. David's keys heading.
Now they are called David's keys.
In progress. Map. Dismiss button. David's keys heading. Current location with you. Precision finding when AirTag is nearby and now will point to its precise location. Play sound. Find your AirTag by playing a sound from your iPhone.
And it's just giving me some more information here.
Directions and maps. View this AirTag on an app and use the maps view and find my app button. Done button.
And you can go into the Find My App here, or I can just press the Done button, which I will do.
Still again, 11 degrees Celsius.
And that's how easy it is to set up the AirTag. I'll come back, hopefully, with some impressions after I've used it, but for the time being, I think it's a useful little device. Definitely, I can definitely see visually impaired people finding lots of uses for it. I've already heard some interesting ideas for how people are going to use these. I haven't decided quite yet what I'm going to use it for, but I'll use this one for the time being, and then if I can think of more things I want to use, definitely things like luggage, if and when we're back travelling, that kind of thing, I can see it being useful for. And while I don't tend to lose my keys too often, there's no harm having one on the keys as well, I reckon. So, interested to hear what people are going to do with these, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.